Hello, everyone. This is David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. Have you ever wondered why most customers come to the dealership so darn defensive? I know I used to think about that every day. Let me ask you another question. Should the average customer be scared of you? Well, I think that most of you would respond with no, they should not be and are not scared of me. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but not only is the customer terrified of you, they should be terrified of you. Why? Because you're a professional salesperson. Your job is to sell them a car today and to extract as much money out of them for that car as humanly possible. And they know that. So now that we know the customer is scared of you, what can we do about it? Well, first, always remember a non-defensive customer is so much easier to close. So releasing their fears is so important. So here is my tip of the day. Whenever, and I mean whenever, you witness your customer showing any signs of fear, apprehension, or defensiveness, just say to them, why don't we consider today's visit solely an informational gathering event? We can look at some cars, you can sit in the ones you like, and then I can give you all the information you need to take home and consider. Now remember, you have two goals. First and foremost is to lower their defensive posture. And second is to sell them a car today. So does my statement lower their defensive posture? Of course it does. And am I still going to try and sell them a car today? Well, obviously, of course, I'm going to that too. But I cannot do that until they relax and find a car they like. And once they find a car they like, their emotions will take over and they will forget what you said earlier about this being an informational gathering event. Give this idea a try. I think you'll be very surprised with the outcome. Good luck, everyone, and please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.